Hello, and welcome to episode 3 of the new series 0 to 100 mil GP. I have spent the 70 mil on some gear and supplies. I don't know why I bought the Berserker ring and the Fury, because we don't need that right now, as we're going to kill the Scorpia and the Chaos Fanatic and the crazy, I don't know what he's called. I call him Alcoholic, but I don't know. So yeah, I think we should go hunt the crazy guy for the first one, and then we see which ward we get. What it's called? Ward shard from one of the shield, the Odium or the Malediction, and then we see what we're going to hunt. So yeah, that's going to be fun. I hope it's Odium, because it's more entertaining, but we never know. Yes, the Odium shard. Let's go. Let's fucking go. I'm so happy it was an Odium and not a Malediction. What? Those gold kite shields at the moment. Well, that's okay for a hard clue. What? Okay. That's okay for a hard clue, I guess. Back to Chaos Fanatic. No! Alright, after the Malediction shot we get a hard clue. Okay. A free to play starter kit. Okay. Hey, the hard clue. Let's go. That was clue number 4, and again the free to play starter kit. It is a Chaos Fanatic, I guess. Fuck off! Okay. I just run away. Okay. Let's fucking go! Odium shot 1. Hell yeah! Now we move on to Scorpia, I think. Yeah, that's time for Scorpia. Hey, and we just landed the first hard clue from Scorpia. Let's see if we can get another gilded item. I don't hope. What? Fuck you. Fuck off. What? All we get is nothing. Oh my fucking god! We got the fucking Scorpia pet on about 200 kc. I didn't record that I got it because I was just thinking, let me get away. I logged out 2 times because of PKS came and you That's why you can't see the Casey I got it on. I think I took a screenshot of it, but I'm not sure yet. I just... Oh my fucking god, I'm so fucking happy. Whoa! Why did this happen to me? I was just hunting the shard and then we get this pet. How awesome is that? Let's fucking go! And we have to say rest in peace to 500k, but I think it's worth it to ensure this pet because I have actually hunted the pet before, but I didn't got any luck, and now we got it. That's pretty impressive. I got a pet that I'd like to insure. 500 GP. 500k GP. Sorry. Ooh. It's so beautiful. I love this pet. Whoa. A new family member. He's always welcome. Let's give him a name. I don't know what we should call him. You can give me some names in the chat if you want to. Then we can choose a nice little name for this guy. He deserves it. Back to Scorpia and get the last thing that we need. And we get our second hard clue from Scorpia. Let's see if we can get luckier than last time. But we can't expect more luck. I don't think so. Boys, we are dead. We have run out of charges with the Trident of the Seas, without any luck but the pet at Scorpia. And some decent clues of course, but it's not enough. But I think we should buy a last Trident to try get the Odium shard. And if we get a Malediction shard we can... Yeah, we can afford a new Trident of the Seas if we don't get the Odium shard. So I just think we buy a new Trident. And we got the 600k left. We have sold the whip. I think. Hold on. Yeah, we still have the whip. We have sold our buff and armor, the berserker ring, the fury. We still have the blowpipe as well. But I don't know what's going on. I think we don't got that much money left. We don't got any money left. Only 600k, but I mean in total bank. But we'll find out when we sell all the loot that we have got in this episode. So I can't wait to see if we have lost that much. We'll sure find out very soon. Illuminati confirmed. It's pretty late in the evening for me, and lots of PKs is beginning to show. You can see a lot of people is online at the moment. So I have decided to do some runecrafting nature runes to see if, just to make some money while we can't do Scorpia because of the PKs. I hope you understand. And yeah, really not any more to say. But let's get ready to do some runecrafting. Yeah. After killing just a few abyssal leech, I think I got it off a leech. We get a medium clue. Let's see if we can pull out some ranger boots. That would be very awesome. Yes! Let's fucking go! Finally we made some fucking money at this fucking stupid boss. I hate this Scorpia. Oh my fucking god. We have lost so much money on this boss. I can't believe it. Now I just need to get safety to the bank with this. Yes! Finally! After over 300 kills, we started at about 90 kills or something. So 300 kills, we get a Malediction shard. Now let's get the Odium or just another Malediction, I don't care, they are pretty much value, so yeah, let's keep up the hunt. Just let me get done with this Scorpia. Come on! Not more shit, please. Wait, where's the weed everywhere? Am I high? I think so. I just realized I got skulled, but I think we can teleport now. I was skulled in 50 wilderness by an accident. I picked up this skull. I don't know what happened, but I also forgot my gear to kill Scorpia with, and I get a skull. How much worse can it get? Whew! Run! Run for fuck! Oh my god. Oh shit. I just saw a PK like 2 minutes ago. I don't think he saw me, so he locked out, but I'm not sure. We just have to make out of the wilderness without lose this shot. Let's see if we... Oh. Nope, we lose it if we die. Oh, someone been here. Let's go! Second Malediction shot. It's pretty insane under 100 kill since we got the last Malediction shot. I hope we can get more of them or an Odium shot, but if we keep up this work with the Malediction shot, it's also going to pay off. Woo! Because we have used like 3 Trident of the Seas on this boss, and that's almost the cost of 1 Malediction shot, and almost every trip you get PK'd. You get PK'd so much. I think I died like 10 times, and even yeah, you lose all your loot, or then you get PK'd when you came. I can't talk right now. Oh my god. I mean, you get PK'd for all your runes and stuff, and that's the same value as you get with the loot, so it's always sad to get PK'd up there. But yeah, we got the Malediction shot in the bank again, so that's nice. Let's see what we get next. No! No! Why me? The third Dragon Scimitar. 2 Malediction shots, 0 Odium shots. But I don't think I can really say I'm unlucky because I got the pet, but still, it's 1 out of 128, same as the both yards, but yeah. Fuck me. We gotta make another home run for the third Malediction shot. Whoa, how can you get this lucky with them and not the Odium shot? The RNG is against us and with us, I can say. I hope we get the Odium shot very soon so we can move forward again to something else, but it's still pretty awesome that we're getting those. They're still 3 mil each, so I can feel I get PK'd. Let me get away. Yes, we made it. 3 Malediction shot banked. Let's go. Let's see if we can pull out another, or if it's an Odium we get the next time. Let's see. Alright guys, we have run out of charges again on the... oh, as you can see here, we only got 90 charges left on the Trident, and we only got... we don't even got enough runes for 1 trip here. So we have to sell the whip, as I don't want to sell the loot yet. It's more fun to see how much we actually made at Scorpia and the other wilderness bosses. So I'm selling the whip here, and then I'm going to buy some runes for the Trident. I think we should only buy 1500 casts because I can feel I get something pretty soon. But I don't know. Our RNG is pretty bad. $1400. Oh, it was because of the fire runes. Well, that's gotta be enough, I hope. And now we need some new runes for the ancient magic. 770k left. I also think I have to buy some prayer potions and some food very soon, but I don't know yet. But let's see if we can get lucky now. As you can see, the 3 Malediction shards. It's pretty awesome. It's 9 mil. If they're going to sell, I hope they are. But the always body price guide doesn't work at the moment, so we don't know yet, but we'll find out. See you soon when we get another shard or something awesome. Oh, the 4th Malediction shard. What the fuck is going on with those Malediction shards? Oh, by the way, we don't have to run that fast to the mainland because the new update today made it so you keep the most value item by the Grand Exchange and not the higher value. So yeah, that's pretty awesome because if I get PK'd now, we don't lose it. We did that yesterday, but so that's pretty cool. But 4 Malediction shards, 0 Odium shards, but it's pretty awesome. We got the Malediction rain has come, you can say, but now let's make the Odium shard rain. Please. Oh god, oh god. I'm so close to be a wizard. I don't want to be. Please. Yes! We're fucking done, finally! Let me get away from this fucking boss. 4 Malediction shard, 1 Odium shard. Finally. I thought we were never going to get it before, like 1,000 kill count or something. That would be horrible. But finally we got it. Let's meet at the Grand Exchange and sell all the items that we have got and see how much total we are finally at. Bye! Me and my pet, we didn't give him a name yet, but I think it's up to you to decide what he's going to be called, or if it's a she. We don't know yet. But as promised, also to my own enjoyness, or what do you call it? Yeah. At least we're going to sell all the items that we have got, and this Gilded Kite Shield, that's quite unfortunate. That's what can happen. Let's sell all the items. This is from the crazy guy, crazy alcoholic. We call him that. The swords here, they can't be sold. They are untradeable. You can make them to up to, I think it's a black sword only. So we don't going to be doing that. Pretty waste of time. But yeah, and the uncut gems here, they are also coming from the Chaos Fanatic and Scorpion. So actually I think I'm going to keep the Gilded Kite just because I can. We can sell it if we need the money, but I don't think so. I'm pretty excited to see how much we have made this episode. Almost 1.9 mil and the Gilded Kite Shield. So that's pretty good. And of course the Odium Shard, but that's included in the Odium Ward. Now for the Chaos Fanatic. I saw something. The Rune Pickaxe. They also dropped by the Scorpia. Oh, 40k. You see. 39. No, it's not even going to sell. Well, we just let it be there. Not really worth anything. I guess the bodies here, they are going to sell sometime because the last rated price was 35k. So the 1500 plus the 300. So let's say 1.8 mil from the Chaos Fanatic. Now for the most exciting thing in this episode. The big tap. We have killed about 500 Scorpias. And we got the pet, we got 4 Malediction Shard, and we got the Odium piece, of course. I can tell that Scorpia is not worth doing if you don't got any luck on the shards, because we have absolutely used much more. Even on the Trident, we have the Tridents. I think we used 3 of them, and that's almost this money. So that's no profit at all. So I hope this will pay off. Oh shit. Oh shit. That was close. Okay, they're selling. And the Odium, that's pretty much this. Not selling yet. We can take some of the items we don't need anymore. We don't need the Trident of the Seas. I'll maybe buy some of this stuff back. I have not decided yet what we should do in the next episode, but I'll find out in a few minutes. The sharks, we're going to keep them. The prayer potions. Oh, I did chop a few magic logs because I was bored and a lot of PKs. I told you I was going to do nature runes instead, but that was more boring than I watched a movie. Got a few logs. We can actually sell those too. No, let's keep them and see how many we end up with, and at the end of the series. And we don't need the runes here anymore. Keep the water runes, not really worth anything. The glories. Okay. We're doing something here. I want to see how much we made from Scorpia alone. So let's say 5 mil. Holy shit! 21.5 million just from Scorpia. What the fuck? Holy shit! And then we got the. Okay. And the end of this episode, almost 30 mil. We can call it 30 mil because we still got the split by plate bodies and the Grand Exchange. So that was more than I expected, to be honest, because I thought we lost money on Scorpia. But again, the shards from the Scorpia they are pretty expensive, so that what paid off. I think in the next episode. By the way, this episode has been an ass long time to come out because I've got some things going on in my life, so I did not have that much time to play, but we made it, and I can promise you the next episode will not take that long to come out, because that really sucks. You have to wait like 3 weeks to a month before you can see me again. But I think in next episode we are going to hunt the new brutal black dragons and maybe hunt a whip, because we got a slayer task of Abbey demons, but I don't know if we will hunt the whip or just take the task, but we'll see at that time. But you can expect more more easy monsters in the next episode, and then you can say to me if you got any ideas on what we can do. But I guess I'll see you in next episode, and have a fun time. Bye.